We have a really small town feel and everyone is super friendly.
There's a large variety of artists, especially in the market. We have a little bit of everything really.
The harbor is obviously one of the features. That's what made Owen Sound what it is.
We have the escarpment running through the region.
So easy to get out and do amazing recreational things no matter what time of the year it is.
My name is Emily May Rose and I'm an illustrator.
Very welcoming. You come through here and it's just like, hey, welcome to Carney's Lane.
It's great for people coming through from out of town to come and see, and people from in town to come and have a look at.
We had a lot of budding artists that wanted to come to help paint. Everyone was coming by and recognizing elements from it.
When you talk to people, you understand the passion for this community. They really like living here, and that's what this mural really reflects.